this is Monami and today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial video. Really, I'm not really good at making tutorials as I'm not really a beauty guru or whatever. I just like to share the way I do makeup and stuff. So today I'm away traveling and I am doing some shoots for Frost Streetwear. So I thought it would be cool to show you how I do my shoot makeup while I'm traveling with limited amounts of makeup, and I have very little makeup with me, but with shoots and all I try to keep a certain look, I think, for most of the shoots, unless it's some specific type of colors or specific cool drop that I'm launching. So most of the time it is kind of I'm going for the same look. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I will do my traveling shoot makeup. I will start and prime my face, and I will use this Mascara. Sorry about the light changing. It is really bright once and then it goes dark again, but hopefully it will be fine. I like filming in the natural light, but that's the downside of it. So I will use this Mascara primer. It is a primer. It's kind of an illuminated primer all over my face. While traveling as well, my face starts to get spotty a little bit. I get a little tiny breakouts and stuff because while traveling it is really hard to stay hydrated and drink enough water. Like at home I drink so much water, and now while traveling I feel like my face is all puffy and like I get breakouts and stuff. So I need to deal with what I have right now, but it is okay, we can manage. And now I will use the foundation. I'm using this KVD Portrait Foundation. It is really light and light coverage. I really don't have a mirror here, a mirror for my palette or something, and I'm not used to it. I usually have like a little mirror in front of me. So it's like kind of always when traveling it's hard to find the place and like place in the house or apartment or whatever to do the makeup and have everything like as you need it to be. Now I'll use a concealer. This is the Mascara concealer, skin-based concealer pen. It's really cool. I kind of love it. It looks really awesome. In shoots I usually go for something simple, something like old Monami would do. Big eyeliner, not too big as I used to do. I think like it was quite exaggerated back in the day when I just started Instagram, but I still like to do a big liner, but not just that big. Now I'll contour my face a little bit. I'm using the Shade and Light cream contour always. I'm just using my fingers because I just find it easier and faster. Under my nose, a little contour. Some contour on the forehead. And I add a little bit of contour under my lips to make the lips look fuller a little bit. Create a little illusion. Now I'll go in with some highlight. I'm using this Linda Hallberg Infinity highlighter. Need a good highlight for shoot, obviously, so those cheekbones pop. I always add some highlight in the inner corners of my eyes and a little bit on my top lid. That's good. What's next? I'll do my eyebrows. Lately I have a different way of doing my eyebrows. I use a dark brown Brow Struck, this powder from KVD Beauty, KVD Vegan Beauty, and I use a angled brush as always. This KVD, I love this. Built in like with the powder, I go at the front to create a softer look, starting from the brows where they start. Kind of blend it out and smoke it out. Since I'm growing out my natural hair color as well with my roots coming out quite light, I have been switching now to more of a brown color for my eyebrows instead of black, as if I like do black eyebrows, they just look too intense and too crazy. Now I'll go in with the Super Brow pomade, the medium brown, just sharpen up the ends of the eyebrows. And that's looking good. Brows always take the longest time. You need to make sure that brows are on point for photo shoots 100%, because you don't want to have them smudge, and that's why I use the pomades, because the pomades don't smudge really, especially if you have to like take off like clothes all the time, on and off and on and off. They keep smudging all the time. I think the brows are done. Right, what's next? I will do my eyes now. I'm gonna use, for my eyes, I don't have an eyeliner with me, but what I do use is the black colored Super Brow. It's that good that it doesn't smudge, so Super Brow Graphite from KVD Vegan Beauty. It's the black color. It's not really black like eyeliners. It is more of a kind of stone. Let's do the wing first. And now let's try and build it up and make it work. So yeah, with eyeliner I usually go quite thick, so it's very visible and bold in the pictures for the shoots. And I always try and go for eyeliner because I know it is safe. It is a safe bet always for me to just have bold eyeliner, and I know that it will always look good in any picture, because I always worry about just doing something out of the ordinary and then going back like after the photos are done and thinking like, oh my god, like it doesn't look good from this angle, it doesn't look from that angle good. So I'd rather play it safe and make sure that the photos will look great. And I know that the eyeliner look never fails me. Eyeliner is finally done. It took just forever for me to do it. I'm not used to not having a mirror in front of me and using my other hand to help me out. Now I will put on the lashes. Actually, I will put on mascara first. I'm using the Nabla Cosmetics Major Pleasure Mascara. Like I said as well, like when I'm traveling, I have very limited amount of makeup, so obviously I'm not doing anything crazy as well because of it, because I just can't bring up a massive bag of makeup everywhere when I have to bring a massive bag of nappies and things like that. Now I will add the eyelashes. I'm not sure which eyelashes are these because I had them in like an eyelash box sitting for a while there. I will use the House of Lashes eyelash glue. This is the best. So while I'm waiting for the lash glue to a little bit dry, I will put some lipstick on, I think. I absolutely love this Black Moon Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Grim. Just one of my favorite lipsticks that I wear. It is a dark brown lipstick. It's really, really nice. And it is always a safe bet as well. Going for neutral colors, because obviously most of the clothing that I make for streetwear is black and white. And always going for neutral colors, either dark brown, dark any like muted tone, or a light nude color or of some sort that isn't too pinkish, or just plain out black, but I don't have a black lipstick with me. And I love this as it kind of still is a little bit of a natural side, and it's not too crazy because the black just like looks like boom, black lips. I love this color, it's so good. So one lash is going on. Lashes are something so important for, I think, maybe photo shoots. For me especially, I think, because it creates such a dramatic and deep dimensional look for your eyes when you're shooting and stuff. And I love how it looks when you're looking down at things, and the lashes are so voluminous and beautiful. And for me as well, I think when I'm doing just like a liner, it doesn't look as like special without lashes. If you put lashes on, it almost looks like a smoky eye because the lashes create that look. Obviously it's because I'm using like massive lashes, but if you add like little lashes, it still gives that more of a dramatic look. So the eyelashes are on, and look how beautiful it looks already. With the lashes, it always makes such a difference, so much difference. I'll add a little bit of mascara to the bottom lashes. So I think this is it. Photo shoot makeup is done and ready for shooting some stuff. And it looks good, and always neutral, staying in neutral colors. So yeah, it is done. I know I will put in my ear weights, not weights, hangers, ear hangers. These are not really that heavy. They just look cool. And I'm ready to go. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed this makeup look. This was my traveling photo shoot makeup, and technically it is my go-to anytime I need to do anything makeup in the end of the day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the makeup look. Hope you learned something from it. I'm not sure. I'm not really here to teach anyone to do makeup, but this is how I do it. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button to be notified. Sometimes you may not get notifications from me, as it's something YouTube just does. And anyway, thanks so much. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.